Hanap online daters gusto second.
에츠도 찰철 조겐 제자 에츠로로 찌리치 불식 보숑 유이 아이니 윙추엉 Zaiwadi show Tuwang Nagpre-pretend ako maging online dater sa kanya, te. So, yeah. We are going to ruin his date with me. Dung, 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 dung. Nag-left. Kaya nagbalik na naman. Mag-igiba ko iniyo. It's a joking juju. Wait lang. Test ko lang siya, te. Test ko lang, yeah. We are going to test him. Testing him. Yan. Binagsa na siya. Binuksan ng ilaw. Kunyari magti-tiktok ako, te. Iyo, kunyari ba lang. Ha? Oh my gosh, may bago. Yeah. By the way, hindi natin yan tutuloy. May bago pa. Tik update. Tik update. Kaya pala, tik update. Tik update. Ay, oo nga, tik update. Kunyari, Bobby. Ay, Bobby. Kunyari, magbibidyo. Naku, banan ako. Grocery tayo. I'm gonna say, okay, kunyari. Okay, we're gonna ruin his day. We are going to ruin his day. We are going to ruin his day. Ito, piggyback pa. It's a chong chukin. Yeah, nag-ruin. Let's ruin that. Ay, never mind na. Let's taste. Ito, taste. Test. Ito, taste. Test ko ta. Pag may POV na isa dito, I will lock them. Yun no. Ay. Yan. Uy. Nagpapabalit pa. Okay yan. Pero, minsan, ayaw kong online dator. I'm always ruining the day. And I'm kunyari in being the online dator. Yan. Ching, ching, ching. Chira. Mama sa kumbakal. Tuksok. It's ito, chow chow. Joke lang. Wait lang. I-ruin ko na naman yung day niya. Ito, pogi ako pero hindi naman. See you in the next video. Do you want part 2? Do you want part 2, ha? Do you want part 2? No, I don't want. It's a chong chokin chicho. Ayaw ko sa'yo. Yan, deserve na kalag. Hindi ako gusto ko. Diba ko ka... Wait lang, ito na lang, te. Ito na lang. Bye! Ayan naman yun. Be, may nagsabi. Okay naman. At least, nagsaspy. Ito, at least, nagsali sa spy. Yeah, yeah. Uy. Wait! Aray ko, mamas! Magruruin ko yung bahay niya talaga. Ako kasi yung nag-una sa kanya, ha. Never mind. Hindi na. Nagdito na siya. Uy. Yan. Yes! Yes, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Ruin the house! Yan! Yes! Oh my gosh, teamwork! Eh. Eh. Ha. Uy. Eh, nagban ako. Eh. Ako na lang magawa ng bahay! Yan. Te, piggyback na naman. Ano, I'm waiting for part 2. Ayan, mamaya pa yung part 2 ha. Sumpa, sa 2 days lang, 2 days, yeah, 2 days. Kaya nagpipili lang ako. Pangit na bahay. Joke lang, wait lang, joke lang. Dapat maganda, pero pangit. Eto, pangit. Uy, uy, yan, deserve. Uy! Be, maluloko. Yan. Roommate pa. I'm gonna delete the flower space. It's, it's super ridiculous. 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 Yeah, ridiculous. Nagre-record pa ako. Ha, kanyari lang, yeah. And we are going to lock him inside. Yeah. Be, prank lang to ha. Hindi naman itong totoo. It's not an online dater fact. It's just a prank. Oh, shiny teeth. Golden teeth yarn.
I gotta tell you something.
Yeah, what's going on?
I'm bald.
Girl. Me too!
Pahingi ng ng golden... Yes, pastuson. Yeah. Yeah, pastuson. Bes, sarado. Kunyari lang mag-shower ako. Pero di naman, naghahapo pa na, nagtatago ako sa kanya. Yan. Pogi ako, pero hindi naman.
Skibidi! Skibidi! Ah! Skibidi! Ah!
Ay, wait lang. Ichiru chang chuang chu ken chi chu. 一切都将往就跟着着。Kunyari lang ako. Pangit ang mukha ko. Ano nangyari pag nagganito ko sa kanya? I give pa. Ichido chong chung chung. I'm gonna put a record button. Wait lang! I'm gonna put a record button. Nag-up.
You actually just stabbed me. Why would you do that? This is obviously an injury. It's not just something that I can walk off. You should apologize now, Tessa. So you're just brushing it off.